Hi guys, I'm in an Airbnb in Canada, and outside this window, I keep hearing sounds, and I'm scared to check it. Like I keep hearing stomping and like clicking, and I'm so scared.